Why are you still anxious in 2025? 5 surprising reasons and how to fix them. Are you still feeling anxious in 2025? Even with all the tools and tips out there, you are not alone. Hi, welcome to Quiet Lanterns, where we light the way to mental peace and personal growth. Today, we are tackling a big question. Why are you still anxious in 2025? 5 surprising reasons and how to fix them. This 15-minute journey will uncover hidden causes of anxiety like digital overload and perfectionism, and give you practical, science-backed solutions to overcome anxiety and find calm. Whether you are dealing with stress, racing thoughts, or just need anxiety relief, these steps will transform your mental health in 2025. So, grab a cozy spot, take a deep breath, and let's dive in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your biggest anxiety trigger in the comments. Ready? Let's get started. Reason 1. Digital overload. Reason number 1 might hit close to home. In 2025, our screens are everywhere. Social media, news, endless notifications. Studies show excessive screen time spikes cortisol, the stress hormone, leaving you anxious without even realizing it. Maybe you scroll late into the night, comparing your life to others, or feel panicked when your phone buzzes. How to fix it? Step 1. Set a digital curfew. 30 minutes before bed, switch off all devices. Step 2. Use apps to track and limit screen time, aiming for 2 hours less daily. Step 3. Replace scrolling with a calming habit, like reading or stretching. Take Lisa, for example. She cut her screen time by an hour each day and swapped it for a nighttime walk. Within a week, her sleep improved and her anxiety dipped. This small shift can be your first step to stress management. Try it tonight. What's one device you'll ditch? Share below. Reason 2. Hidden perfectionism. Even if you don't call yourself a perfectionist, chasing flawless work or appearances can fuel anxiety. In 2025, with high expectations online, this pressure builds silently. Research links perfectionism to chronic stress and burnout. How to fix it? Step 1. Set good enough goals. Aim for 80% effort, not 100%. Step 2. Celebrate progress, not just perfection. Write down one thing you did well daily. Step 3. Practice self-compassion. Say, "I'm doing my best," when you stumble. Think of Mark, a graphic designer. He stopped obsessing over every pixel and started praising his effort. His anxiety eased, and his creativity soared. Let go of perfection in 2025. Your mental health will thank you. What's one area you'll ease up on? Tell us. Reason 3. Unresolved relationships. Reason 3 digs deeper. Tense ties with family, friends, or co-workers can linger in your mind, sparking anxiety. In 2025, with hybrid work and social shifts, these conflicts often go unaddressed. How to fix it? Step 1. Identify one relationship causing stress. Write down what bothers you. Step 2. Have a kind, honest conversation or set a boundary if needed. Step 3. Seek support. A friend or therapist can help you process. Sarah felt anxious after a fallout with her sister. A short, heartfelt talk cleared the air, and her chest felt lighter. Healing relationships is key to overcoming anxiety. Who might you reach out to? Share your thoughts. Reason 4. Lack of routine. Reason 4 is a sneaky one. Without structure, your days can feel chaotic, amplifying anxiety. In 2025, with flexible schedules, many struggle to find balance. Experts say a consistent routine stabilizes your mind. How to fix it? Step 1. Pick 3 daily anchors. Wake up time, a meal, or a walk. Step 2. Plan your week with small, flexible goals to avoid overwhelm. Step 3. Stick to it for 7 days. Consistency builds calm. John, a freelancer, added a morning coffee ritual and a set workday end. His anxiety dropped as his days felt more controlled. A routine can anchor you in 2025. What's one anchor you'll try? Let us know. Reason 5. Ignoring self-care. The 5th reason might feel obvious, but is often overlooked. Skipping sleep, healthy food, or downtime leaves your body and mind vulnerable to anxiety. In 2025, self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. How to fix it? Step 1. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. Create a wind-down ritual. Step 2. Add one nourishing meal daily. Think veggies or a smoothie. Step 3. Schedule 15 minutes of you time. Meditate, journal, or just breathe. Emma neglected self-care while juggling work and kids. After a nightly tea ritual and better sleep, her anxiety faded. Self-care is your foundation for mental health. What's one self-care step you'll start? Share below. There you have it. Why you are still anxious in 2025? 5 surprising reasons and how to fix them. From digital overload to ignoring these insights and solutions can guide you to anxiety relief and a calmer 2025. Pick one fix. Try it for a week and watch your stress melt away. Which reason resonated with you? Tell us in the comments. We're here to support your journey. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on personal growth and mental health. Share this with someone who needs it, and let's light the way together. Until next time, stay calm and keep shining. Quiet lanterns.